How to remove suggested contacts from direct share menu on Samsung phone. What's up everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily remove the suggested contacts when you tap on the direct share menu. So what I'm talking about is right here. So if I just try to share anything from my gallery, if I tap on the share button, you will see all of these contacts on the top of my direct share. So I'm going to show you how to remove these. First thing that you want to do is head over to your settings, and once you are inside your phone settings, just scroll down until you see advanced features and tap on it. Before we go any further, make sure to head down below to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's get ahead. So now all you want to do is scroll down, and right below screenshots and screen recordings, you will see this option called show contacts when sharing content. You just want to disable this this menu. So what this will do is it will disable those contacts when you want to share content. So I'm just gonna go back here, and if I press on the share icon, as you can see, all of those contacts are now gone. And that's how you remove suggested contacts from direct share menu on your Samsung phone. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.